What's My Car Worth After the Block is brought to you by JJ Best.
This is the Uber Mustang, 69 Boss 429. Ford had to build a certain number of the 429 engines to make them eligible for NASCAR. Rated at 375 horse, but real horsepower was probably more like 500. The car only weighs 3,200 pounds. The car absolutely scoots. I mean, you put your foot in it, and this car wants to run. Just because you have a big bad boy motor, it doesn't mean you have to sacrifice luxury. This car has got a very nicely finished interior, high back buckets, so you got to treat yourself to feeling good while you were going very, very fast.
Boss 429, they built this car because they needed to homologate the 429 engine to run in NASCAR.
Right.
They didn't make many of these cars in 69.
859 and 69. They had to hand widen the engine bay at Carcraft, do a lot of modifications, and it's still a tight fit. It's not easy to get the engine in properly in these cars.
I get 300,000 down to 3. I get 300,000 down to 3. I get 300 now 10. I get 310, thank you. I get 300,000 down now 10, 20. Out of 320, out of 20, 30. I get 330,000 down, 30,000 down to muscle. Now I'm going to be 330. 1,000 down to 320,000.
The Boss 429 has significantly declined after a high of $320,000 in 2016 and is currently worth about $230,000. Own your dream car today. Apply now in minutes. Go to jjbest.com.